So we just got back from our first pack trip, and I just wanted to show what I do for lunches on the trail. A lot of times when we go, we will have a pack horse and we'll have something nice, like, we'll make a fire and do hot dogs or hamburgers. But when we're packing, you got your animals that are packing. It's a lot of weight. You don't want to spend a lot of time eating, and a lot of times we don't, but I try to go really light, so I thought I'd share this. I'm also always curious as to what others do, so please comment. I'd love to hear what others take on the trails to eat, but this is kind of my go-to. The reason I like it, it's pretty low profile, so I will pack this just as is for shorter trips, or if I kind of think there's a good chance we won't have time to stop and eat, I'll just keep it as is. But what I'll do is to add a little bit more substance, just grab some flat pitas. No reason to get like bread, it's just gonna get smashed anyway. Keeping this in the saddlebags. I'll take a pita, cut it in half. I like to place it in a bag outside of the bulkier container. It'll lay a little flatter. The other reason I like taking the plastic is being able to have a bag to collect garbage. So this is everything unpacked. You got your tuna, some sweet relish, your mayonnaise, small little spoon to stir things, and then some Ritz type crackers. If I just want a little bit more substance, that's why I'll add a pita to it so that I get a little bit more food. The other thing I should mention is what I'll do is I'll tear it open, and then I'll just cut with my knife down this side to open it up a little bit better so it's not so narrow and your hands aren't getting all dirty. And then I'll put the mayonnaise in and then mix it in here, and then of course add it to the pita. Really helps give it a little bit more substance, get a little bit more full, and it's really a quick meal for pack trips. That's how I pack it, really thin. Put in the pack or the saddlebags, and crackers actually don't get too much because they've got a plastic container that protects it. I actually have never had a broken cracker in there. Anyway, really good solution for me anyway. I love to learn from others. I'd love to see what people do, and I'd love to hear what you guys do out on the trails, especially if you got pack animals with you and you need to be quick on your eating. Put a comment in the post. Thanks for watching.